In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to create a stunning 3D rotating carousel in After Effects. Watch closely as we bring depth and motion to your images. Stick around and subscribe to Brand Factory for more creative motion tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, create a new composition with the size set to 1920 by 1080 pixels. Now, add a solid layer and change the color to whatever you like. Next, create another composition, this time for 100 by 600 pixels, and name it Picture 1. Inside this comp, draw a rectangle shape that fills the space. Round the corners to about 60, and then align it perfectly to the center. Now we'll need more of these, so duplicate that picture composition 7 more times. Drag the first Picture 1 comp into your main timeline. Make it a 3D layer, and then hit S to bring up the scale controls. Reduce the scale to around 80%. Let's add some depth. Create a new camera and set it up with the settings I've shown on screen. Then, create a new null object. Link Picture 1 to it, and make the null a 3D layer as well. Press on open rotation and try rotate on the y-axis. You'll see the picture rotate in 3D space. Nice, right? Now, reset the values back to 0 and unlink Picture 1 from the null object. Here's where it gets fun. Duplicate Picture 1 by pressing Ctrl+D. Then while holding Alt, drag Picture 2 into the timeline to replace that duplicate. Parent Picture 1 back to the null object using the Pick Whip tool. Now rotate the null object's y-axis to 45 degrees. You'll see Picture 1 rotate nicely. Do the same thing again. Duplicate Picture 2, replace it with Picture 3, parent to null, and this time rotate the y-axis to 90 degrees. Keep repeating this process for all your images, each time adding another 45 degrees of rotation. By the end, you'll have a full rotation of pictures in 3D space. Once that's set, select all your picture comps, hit S for scale, and make sure they're all at 80%. You can also open each picture comp individually to place your actual images inside. If you want to follow along, I've dropped the images in the description below. So, for example, open picture 1, drag your first photo inside, hit S to adjust the size, and then use the rectangle shape layer as a mask with track matte. Do the same for all your other images. Now, let's add some animation. Go back to the null object and create a few keyframes on the Y rotation to make the images spin around. To give it some extra shine, go to the Effects and Presets panel. Search for CC Light Sweep and apply it to picture 1. Drag the center point across the image and keyframe it so it sweeps across nicely. Press U to reveal the keyframes, right-click them and select Easy Ease. Then head into the graph editor and tweak the motion to make it smoother. Once you're happy, just copy those keyframes and paste them onto the other picture compositions. And that's it. You should now have a beautiful rotating 3D image carousel with shiny light sweep effect. How cool is that? If you're following along, try dropping your own photos. It instantly personalizes the animation,